This is the latest Lightwave we built for a customer in New Zealand, John and Louisa. It's got a couple of key points to it that have been very carefully thought out and designed for their requirements. New Zealand's cold place, it needs good protection. The helm has got a glass screen on it with a wiper on it. It's something quite unique. We've not done this before. It's worked out really well. We're really proud of it. They're really happy with it as well. Another feature of the boat, the cabin, their main cabin, has a sliding door. It's a 3-berth boat, 6 people, but really luxuriously put together, high quality spec, all the latest kit, lithium-ion battery bank, Garmin electronics, you know, it's got the nicest gear on it, and it'll be a really lovely cruising boat through the waters of New Zealand. The main bathroom is 2 sinks. It's a really household size bathroom in a lot of ways. Separate shower and toilet area, and lots of cupboard space. Joinery throughout this boat is a mixture of lightweight plywood veneer, which is a really nice feature throughout the boat. The weight saving has been really significant. But also a mixture of that with solid timbers. The tabletops throughout the saloon are solid Euro Beach and solid surface Staron products.